Welcome to Zonesun video. This filling and capping monoblock begins with the unscrambler, a device that efficiently organizes your bottles. From the unscrambler, the bottles transition smoothly to the heart of our machine, the star wheel. The star wheel combines the filling, cap dropping, and capping stations, bringing your product to life. Watch as our dual filling systems work in perfect harmony. The first stage uses a piston pump for paste filling, followed by a peristaltic pump for liquid filling. Precision and consistency at its finest. Next, the caps are delivered via a vibratory bowl feeder, ensuring a perfect fit every time. As the bottle passes through, the cap drops onto the bottle mouth. The servomotor-driven capping head then secures the cap, ensuring the safety and integrity of your product. Finally, the finished product is transported out of the machine via the conveyor belt. Whatever your packaging needs are, you can rely on Zonesun.